Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get free images without getting in trouble. So you can go to Google and you can search for Pexels, Pexels, and then click on the first link, which is from pexels.com. And this is the website from where you can get all your images without paying a single penny. And the reason why I am showing this to you is that it is not a good idea to Google and get some images from Google, because they might have some copyright issue and you might get into some legal trouble. So always and always go to these website and download your images from these website. The first website which I would like to show you is Pexels. You can search for anything here. I will search for Android and I will select this image. I will click on that and I can download the original version, the large version, the medium version, or the custom size. I will just click on the medium version and then I will click on free download. And the thing about these websites is that you can use them for free. Okay, you don't have to pay a single penny for using these images. So let's just go ahead and download the medium version. Click on download. Also make sure that you give some credit to the photographer, because they are hardworking people and they are giving this to you for free. So you should show your love by giving them the credit. Okay. And we have the second website. The second website is Unsplash. You can go to Google and you can search for Unsplash and then click on the first link, which is from unsplash.com. And here you can get some freely usable images. You can search for anything. I will again search for Android and I will scroll down, and all the images which I have used in this course till now were from this website. I will scroll down and I will download this one. I will click on this button and I will download the medium size, and the download will start. And again, it is a good practice to give a shout out to the photographer. So make sure that you copy these and then paste it somewhere and give credit to the photographer, because they are doing hard work. They are giving these images to you for free, so you should also show them some love. Okay. Now here is the third website. It is Pixabay. You can also go to this website. They have a huge collection. They have 2.5 million high quality images. You can search for anything here, but I'm not going to do that. You can download any image from this website as well. You can also download vector or videos or music or sound effect. You can download images from here as well. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope that you never download image from Google and use it somewhere in your blog and then get in trouble. Always use these websites. The first is pexels.com, second is Unsplash, and third is Pixabay. Alright, enough of me talking. Bye.